In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly access and manage your Watch Later playlist on YouTube. This straightforward process will help you find and organize all those videos you've earmarked for future viewing, making your overall YouTube experience more enjoyable and efficient. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to YouTube. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in youtube.com in the address bar. This will take you straight to the YouTube homepage, a central hub bustling with a myriad of content curated to suit your tastes and previous watching habits. Once you're on the homepage, cast your eyes to the top left corner of the screen. You're searching for a simple yet powerful icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. If the sidebar on your YouTube is not already visible, this is where you'll click. It's a small action, but a pivotal step, as it opens up a list of options that guides you to different parts of YouTube's vast interface. Among the menu options, you'll find Watch Later. Clicking on this will unveil a collection of videos you've previously added to this playlist. It's your very own collection of videos, tailor-made to suit your interests, and saved with the intention of enjoying them at a more convenient time. Within this playlist lives a trove of content just waiting to be explored at your leisure. Now comes the fun part, choosing a video to watch. With every video listed, you have the power to engage, learn, or simply be entertained by clicking on any video title. This action will set the video playing immediately, launching you into an immersive viewing experience. If at any point you decide that a particular video no longer serves your interests or you accidentally saved one, you have the handy option of removing it from your Watch Later list. Simply click on the three dots, usually located next to the video title. This will present you with a drop-down menu from which you can select the Remove option. It's a neatly tucked away feature, allowing you to maintain a clean, organized playlist. And there you have it, a simple guide to navigating and managing your Watch Later playlist on YouTube. This playlist is there to enhance your experience, allowing you quick access to content you value. By effectively managing it, you ensure that your time on YouTube remains enjoyable and catered to your current motivations and mood. Thank you for joining me today, and happy watching.